Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great first week. I wanted to talk to you about next week's work. We are going to talk about understanding people. There will be a reading by Jared Diamond, and I just want to preface that this course is new to me too, so I'm working with notes from the previous instructor, and I'm trying my very best to adapt them as we go along. So I appreciate your patience with me. I want you to read to page 25. Remember, for me anyway, it's okay to skim, and please review the questions before reading. So the quiz questions. Yali asks a question, and then there's an answer to it, and the questions come in the first few pages and the answers come after, sort of like the second one he proposes. So think about that. And then you will read Carl Jung's Collective Unconscious. Again, it's okay to skim through that as well. And then you will also have a quiz and then a discussion board. Remember to create a new thread, and I kind of show you how to do that in that video. So I hope that makes sense for next week. This is an estimation of the amount of time it will take, so keep that in mind. Remember that all work is due by midnight on Friday. I hope you guys have a wonderful second week, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.